India's blue economy is worth millions of crores of rupees and drives 90% of India's total trade volume.
ब्लू इकोनॉमी ये आने वाले समय में एक बहुत बड़ा क्षेत्र बनने वाला है.
The ocean, however, is not always a safe place to work and much fuel is required to traverse its vastness. Keys to keep the blue economy flourishing are safety at sea, fuel efficiency and a better understanding of ocean processes.
Government of India decided to establish Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services with the specific purpose that research should be converted as useful products for the common man.
INCOIS is a premier research institute of Ministry of Earth Sciences. They are responsible for providing ocean services for the country. Tsunami alerts, ocean state forecast, potential fishery zone advisories for the fishermen.
நான் மச்சான் எங்கே போகிறேன்?
மார்க்கெட்டு போகிறேன்.
நானும் மீன் வாங்க தான் மார்க்கெட்டுக்கு போகிறேன்.
அப்போ மந்தரமாக இருக்குது, மீன் எல்லாம் விளையிறது.
நான் வாங்கக்கூடிய வியாபாரிகிட்ட மீன் ரேட்டு பரவாயில்லாத இருக்குது. அவங்க ஏதோ புதிய ஒரு இன்காக்ஸ் டெக்னாலஜி அவங்க குடும்பத்தில் பயன்படுத்துகிறாங்க. வேணுமா தான் சொல்லலாம், அவங்க கூட்டிட்டு போய் வாங்கி கொடுக்கலாம், வாங்கலாம்.
என்ன மாதிரி டெக்னாலஜி யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க?
Potential fishing zone advisories from INCOIS consist of maps and text available a day in advance, indicating best zones to fish, allowing plan ahead to save time and fuel. For safety while sailing, INCOIS also provides daily ocean state forecasts over 7 days in advance. High wave alerts and warnings during onset of cyclones are provided jointly with IMD along with storm surge warnings. There are even tools to assist rescues at sea and track oil spills. The world-class 24/7 Tsunami Warning Service, as a UNESCO-designated service provider, issues alerts and warnings to over 25 countries.
We now have a fully functional Indian Ocean Tsunami Warning System.
As a whole, services from INCOIS cater not just to fisherfolk, but a large spectrum of users, including coastal residents, the Indian Navy and Coast Guard, disaster management authorities, workers in ports and harbors, maritime and pollution control boards, industries such as shipping, oil and natural gas, tourism departments, ocean scientists and non-governmental organizations.
புயலும் சொல்கிறீங்க, சுனாமியும் சொல்கிறீங்க, இதெல்லாம் நம்பிக்கையான தகவலானே.
The performance of INCOIS services is monitored by independent bodies. PFZ advisories ensure a high success rate and are increasingly popular among fisherfolk. Ocean state forecasts are checked with observations and fine-tuned to achieve more than 80% accuracy. As the best service provider in the region, INCOIS tsunami warnings are issued within 10 minutes of an undersea earthquake so that only the affected coastal section are put on necessary alert.
INCOIS covers the whole coast of India and has become a friend, philosopher and guide to all the scientific institutions, non-governmental organizations, fishermen's associations. The one feature of INCOIS which I valued very much is their emphasis on transfer of technology from the laboratory to the field.
INCOIS services are easily available in all 8 Indian coastal languages, along with English and Hindi through mobile apps and SMS, voice services, email, electronic display boards, the INCOIS website, All India Radio and FM, television, fax, through social media, etc. INCOIS services are kept up to date with data from an extensive network of instruments and satellites, analyzed with high-performance computers and supported by dedicated communication networks for real-time connectivity. INCOIS generates special data products and is designated as the National Oceanographic Data Center by the International Ocean Data Exchange. Regular user feedback workshops are held to improve services. INCOIS also coordinates tsunami mock drills. The center collaborates with international agencies in several programs like IOGOOS, Cyber, etc. It contributes to the global Argo program probing the deep ocean and is both a regional and national center for Argo data. Ocean scientists update their skills at ITCO Ocean at INCOIS, which was set up through a MOA with UNESCO.
பருவநிலைலாம் மாறுது, நம்ம கேள்விப்படுறோமே, அதெல்லாம் ட்ராக் பண்ணுறாங்களா?
இந்த சென்டரில் பவளப்பாறை தேய்மானம் இருக்கிறதுக்கும் ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணுறாங்க.
Scientists at INCOIS also study harmful algal blooms. INCOIS provides end-to-end consultancy solutions for various projects in coastal and offshore industries. Digital India and Make in India are not just a dream, but a reality. More people should take advantage of these services and tools to save money, be more comfortable, and be safer. Come, ride the wave of change. Check more at www.incois.gov.in.